Aipple Tree. You can grow a tree for us, Da says, sunlicht glinting in his glacy een, hudding up my champit core, he cuts out pips with soft care. Wrap it in dump bog roll, hate in the airin cupboard, where seeds sprouted, so we potted and watered and left in the sun. Our sapling, big enough for the garden new, plenty leaves showed, but nothing more. Chop a nail intil't, Grunny says. So we did. Next spring, a tiny apple, sma and perfect. But I never got to see another. We moved awa again soon after. But often, I like to think, somewhere in the country, an apple tree is growing. Strong, deep roots, a roosty nail hanging out o' its trunk, planted with love, left neglected, but still bearing fruit in spite o' its wound.